Welcome back to another crypto video. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. YouTube family, thanks for jumping back into another video. Today we're going to check out Cardano, and I'll be honest, it's not the most bullish video. So we can look at some bearish sentiment today, we can look at some support levels, and we can look at a bit of news as well. So I hope you're all doing well despite this bloodbath that we're once again witnessing. Make sure you do just get outside and enjoy that reality, because sometimes it's not too healthy to be fixated to these screens 24/7. That's not what crypto is about. It's not about crypto taking away your own freedoms and your mental health and all the happiness that you have within normal everyday activity. So please do hop into the Discord before we get started. I'm just going to load this one up for you, and what we're going to look at is some basic technical analysis. We can see that we're skating along this support level. We've retested so many times over and over and over again, and do hop into the Discord, by the way. It's down in the description below. We've got about 90 people in it at the moment, so if you want to hop in, be my guest, and it'd be great to see you there. So basically we're going to look at some news first. So as we can see, Cardano, this is a crucial support level right now. Usually that range between $1.02, $1.04, $1.06, that sort of 4 cents range. Massively crucial because of February 2021 to July 2021. We retested that support so many times over and over again. This was a massive euphoric phase followed by big distribution. And we're going to look at what's happening. So we're retesting this support again right now. That RSI is losing those lows. As you can see, we've just dropped again on the RSI. We're literally at 40 RSI now. So let's have a look at support and resistances. Something that nobody tells you, a bit of textbook, something quite, I suppose, basic, but all the historical data supports exactly what these levels do. So here's a quick quiz for you. The more time support and resistance is tested within a short period of time, the stronger it becomes. True or false? Well, let's just skip these, and go for the answer, because the more time support and resistance are tested within a short period, the weaker they become. If you read most trading textbooks, they'll tell you that more time support and resistance are tested, the stronger they become. Well, it's not true in most cases, because the more time support and resistance is tested within a short period of time, the weaker they become. This is because support exists because there's potential buying pressure around a certain price level. The buying pressure could be institutional orders, retail orders, smart money. So what happens when the price retests support multiple times? Well, the orders start to fill up. Eventually, when all these orders are filled up, there's no one left to buy, and that's when support breaks. This means the support and resistance is tested, especially within a short period, the weaker it becomes. Why a short period? Well, you can see what's happening here. Retest, 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 reset, retest, and we lose that support. And it's starting to look very similar to what's kind of happening here. Although we had the higher highs and that nice symmetrical triangle, we are still retesting this support level time and time again, and it looks like we're just starting to break it right now, actually, which is it could be quite deleterious for the price of Cardano. We do have some support, bear in mind, at about 0.91 cents, so it's, we could come down, and if we're going to see a big drop in the RSI, maybe this is another accumulation area. But what we're really struggling to do is put through a higher high. We had it over here, we put through a higher high, but then we just instantly got a massive capitulation down again, so it doesn't look too good. But that's just what I want to say. This video is quite bearish. The fact that we're retesting that support time and time again, it doesn't look too good. That we could easily flip bullish. The pullback below a 2 trillion market cap is buoyant of the growth metrics and achievements of a number of digital assets from the crypto industry. Is Cardano fueled up for a new run to all-time high? Personally, I don't think so yet. I think it's going to take a long time, and I just want to find the answer, really. So the recent feat claimed by Cardano with adjusted volumes has taken public spaces by storm. For the respective around the clock, Cardano has secured the first place with on-chain transaction history adjusted volume for 24 hours. The numbers for which stood at $17.6 billion, with the lowest fees being paid at around $52,000. So I honestly don't really know. Successfully, proponents find the metrics bullish, as the last time a similar event's occurrence took ADA price to its all-time high in September. The possibility does just seem justifiable, as ADA whales have been accumulating over the period alongside the stimulating blockchain load. So the whales are loading up throughout these dips. the ones that really believe in the blockchain ecosystem, and especially the Cardano ecosystem. We can also see here Cardano outpaces Bitcoin, Ethereum in transaction volume. Here's the distinction. Right here, we can see the volume here. Adjusted transactions, 17.1 billion right there. And even in the volume transaction, 24-hour USD, 17.56 billion in transactions. And the fees are extremely low. It's very, very low. I mean, look at that. $51,000 fee in transactions versus 20 million for Bitcoin and Ethereum, even though this transaction volume was greater than both Ethereum and Bitcoin combined. So that's another really bullish factor as well. Google also adds Cardano to the US dollar conversion rate along with 50 other fiat currencies. That's pretty bullish for crypto as a whole. And on the whale alerts over here, guys, we can see that lots of money is moving around. Whales are buying these dips over and over. Smart money, dollar cost averaging in. So that's where the flow of money is going back into crypto. People are loading up. But I still want to look at Cardano because I think it's super careful that we tread carefully at this particular level. Rank 7, $1.03, market cap 33 billion. So it definitely deserves its place. It's not a crap project. It's a really good project. And we can see, you know, almost got a fully diluted circulating supply. If we look at the stats here, 30 days we're down 20%, 24 hours we're down 3%, on the week we're down 10% right there. So it's very bearish. We're seeing these lower highs, lower lows. Doesn't look amazing. If we hop into the charts, you know, it does look like we could potentially find support right here. And hopefully we find support again and actually make a bounce. Maybe create a big double bottom. But really I'm looking out for either a bounce back up to $1.12, which is now another resistance, or we're going to lose this support further, guys, and we're going to come down to that 0.91 level that we're looking at. As we can see, it looks like we're starting to consolidate on this relative strength index, sitting around 35. We're under that 20-day moving average once again. It's just this support here that is so critical that we hold, because if we lose this $1.02 with any big volume, we're going to probably come down and see that 0.91 level. On the hourly time frame, you can see it just looks like a pretty dirty falling wedge over there. Massive capitulation here, and hopefully we can turn this into some sort of falling wedge over the long term, where we'll see a nice bounce on the price. As you can see, we're just in this horrible falling wedge at the moment on the hourly time frame. It doesn't look too good. We did get a little bounce on the RSI, so there is a bit of a bullish divergence over here, so it could look very good over the next few weeks, months. But right now I still think we need to trade sideways. If we can just hold this position for a while, you know, we don't want to see immediate bounces to the upside. We really want to see some accumulation, just something like that, some accumulation for a long period of time. I'm not even saying 2023, maybe just literally to July, Q1, Q2, accumulation, trade sideways, and then we'll be ready for a nice big impulse to the upside, perhaps retesting $T and much, much more by the late 2022. So that's kind of my video on Cardano at the moment, guys. I hope you did enjoy. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any crypto news, crypto analysis as well. Hop into the Discord down below. That would be really much appreciated. And if you want to become a patron, become part of the family, you're going to get one-on-one messaging, premium Discord access, an ebook, and much, much more. Literally, price for coffee is the entry level there. You can find it also in the description down below if you want to support the journey. So thanks a lot, guys. Join that Discord, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.